Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the RSI trend catcher signal indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool transforms the traditional RSI into a trend following and signal generating system, helping you focus on sustained momentum rather than only overbought and oversold extremes. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. The RSI trend catcher signal indicator uses RSI behavior relative to a central baseline, often around the 50 level, and plus clear visual signals such as arrows or colored elements when it detects a trend aligned momentum shift. Sustained RSI movement above the midpoint and accompanying bullish signals visually imply an emerging or ongoing uptrend, while sustained movement below the midpoint with bearish signals implies a downtrend. Because the indicator applies internal filters and smoothing, it aims to ignore weaker RSI fluctuations and choppy low momentum conditions, emphasizing only higher quality trend signals. Over time, the plotted signals and RSI behavior create a visual map of trend phases and potential continuation points without prescribing fixed entry/exit routes. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, core settings include the RSI period and the baseline level used for trend detection, typically around 50, which controls how the indicator classifies bullish versus bearish momentum. There are parameters that govern the internal filters and confirmation rules, shaping how strict the indicator is before plotting a buy or sell signal. Visual and alert settings let you change signal colors, visual cue signs, and notification types so you can adapt the indicator to your chart layout and workflow. As for who is for, the RSI trend catcher signal indicator is suited to traders who focus on trend following and want a momentum based confirmation tool that works across multiple markets and timeframes. It is a visual and analytical aid only. It performs best in trending markets and can still produce delayed or false signals during sudden reversals, consolidations, or high impact news events. As with any technical tool, it should be combined with sound risk management, higher time frame context, and complementary analysis rather than used in isolation. The download link is in the description below. You can read the detailed explanation of how the RSI trend catcher signal indicator works, its core components, and practical applications at the Forex Geek. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational contents.